This is the Cafe Yaucono instant coffee. I got a 2-pack of this. I read that this is Puerto Rico's #1 coffee for the last 125 years, so I had to try it. And since I only drink instant coffee, I'm glad they had it in the instant coffee variety. So it arrived packed really good in the thick bubble wrap, and they actually split it up and split the containers apart. No problems with delivery. And we can see that it's an 8-ounce glass jar. I like that. We can reuse the glass jars if we want to. Grippy lid. So when you open this up, and I've already opened this and sampled it, you can see that it has a sealed container on here. I like to pop the top, and I like the smell of it. You can see that they're very nice, super fine coffee grinds on here. The directions on the back are in Spanish, and I can't read them. I'm assuming that if you're making this coffee, it's the same as any other, 1 teaspoon of instant coffee per 6 or 8 ounces. So I've used 2 teaspoons. And I like to use some sweetener and some low carb stuff like whipping cream in here. So you can see I've made this, and what I noticed after this sitting here, that there's no big ring around the coffee. A lot of the ones I use will have a big ring when it sits there for a while. As far as instant coffees go, and I have tried them all, it has a nice smooth taste to it. No bitter aftertaste at all. Cafe Yaucono, El Mejor Cafe. Boy, I hope I said that right.